Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. I have made this card with the Irresistible Blooms stamp set using these, in fact most of the stamps, and the hello sentiment there. So I've been using a new colour from our new catalogue launching on the 2nd of May 2023, and this is Lemon Lolly. That is part of the Subtles collection of colours, and I have added some of the ink with a blending brush in the background, then stamped and heat embossed these images and then gone over them to add a little bit more intense colour with some watercolor pencils and a blender pen. So I'm just going to do another one and show you a different colour, again a new one, and this one is called Bubble Bath. Gorgeous soft pink. So I'm going to make another card doing exactly the same. So I want to do my stamping first actually, and heat embossing, and we've got this emboss resist technique going on. Okay, just take off any excess powder off there. And I've got my Versamark pad, which is just a sticky ink, and make sure your stamps are well inked up, nice and glossy all the way around, and start your stamping. Doesn't matter where you do it, just remember where you've done it, basically. So I'm going to ink this one up next. So this is, for some reason I've not got my labels on this, I don't know why I haven't done that. So I can, if I tilt it and get the light on it at the right angle, I can see where that is, so I can then just put my next stamp on there. I'm going to come in with the smaller flower. In fact, no, I think I'll do the smaller leaves. Get that nice and inked up. And again, just tilting it so I can see where I'm at. I mean, it doesn't matter if you've got gaps or overlaps. I can actually see that right there. That one on there, and I'm going to do another leaf at the top, and I'll go with the smaller one. Again. Like so. Right, so you can't see that. I can't see it terribly well, but I'm going to bring in my embossing toolkit and add some white embossing powder. And hopefully you can see that a bit better now that we've got that on there. I can see that I've got a little bit that I don't want there. So pop that away for now, and I'm just going to switch on my heat gun. I will mute this so you don't have to worry about your ears being assaulted. Okay, so we've now got that very shiny white on white. I'm just giving that a second or two to cool down, and I'll open up this completely unused ink pad, and I've got a blending brush. Just get that inked up. Just make sure I've got, oh, isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? A little bit more in the corner. Do love embossed resist technique. I love everything with heat embossing. It's just one of the best techniques ever. Okay, so I've got a fair bit of that new ink colour in there. Okay, and the white is definitely popping out now. But obviously I've got pink leaves and I don't want pink leaves. So I am going to come in with, this is Granny Apple Green. And I'm just laying down a little scribble off that colour there. And I'm going to go over those little lines as well. Okay, do this one too, like so. And then this is where the blender pen comes in and just smooths out that colour for you. Awesome. And I've just got that hint of green on there. Okay, I'll do the other ones. Just do all the green together, same time. So you can lay down more colour by pressing a bit harder. Or just be nice and gentle, totally up to you. Obviously we've got that pink to cover up, so I'm probably being a little bit more heavy-handed than I would be. Okay, then I can blend those out. And if I wanted to, I could come back and add in some more colour there as well. But I would leave it to dry in between times. Okay, so I want to add a bit more vibrant pink to these flowers as well. So this is Flirty Flamingo. And again, I'm just scribbling that on. Kind of looks like a 3-year-old's done it. I'm trying to keep within the lines, you know, but scribble nonetheless. So if I'm changing colour and I've forgotten which end I was using, I just give it that a little scribble on my grid mat to make sure that it's not still got any of the previous colour on it. I think I need to be a little bit more dark with this one. So before I do that, I'm gonna add more to this one. Okay, keep doing that. So yeah, we've got more intense colour on this flower. And it's just to make it stand out a little bit more from the blended ink background. Okay. So you can come back in and add more. Just be careful because there's obviously fluid in that pen that blends the watercolor pencil, and you don't want to add too much fluid and get your paper or your card too wet all at one time. Okay. And just blending out those harsh lines from my pencil and getting a lovely smooth colour. I think that will do the trick. And then simply want to stamp my sentiment and put my card together. With that, and I just want to have that up in here. Gorgeous. Nice, simple card with as much or as little flowers as you wish. And just layering that up. The dimensions for each piece for this card will be in my blog post. There'll be a link to that blog post in the description for this video. There we go. And then adding that layer onto my card. And I need to think about some bling. So the first card was easy because I had some nice new embellishments that had lemon lolly. I don't have any lemon lolly. Sorry, not lemon lolly. I don't have any bubble bath embellishments. But we can always just go with good old rhinestones. Why not? Right, take your pick tool and just, oops, that fell off. There'll do. And up here, it's got a little bit of fluff on it. I'll sort that later. And I'll put a bigger one down here. And there we go. So we have the gorgeous lemon lolly and bubble bath that are our new additions to the subtle collection. I hope, oh, do you know what I forgot to do? That one I stamped. This one I forgot. So let's just do it. And what I did was stamp off, then just add a little bit extra detail to the background on here. do two totally different cards. Same thing. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, then please do click on that subscribe button. And if you click the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I upload a tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, please take care. Bye bye.